transport groups prefer the e-tagging scheme than the paint tags for their vehicles, but they want more time before the implementation of such scheme designed to get rid of colorum line PUVs. George Bandola with the details.
Leading transport organizations in Metro Manila favors the electronic tagging scheme as proposed by the Metro Manila Development Authority. Jeepney, bus and taxi operators are one in advocating the particular scheme than the paint tagging previously implemented.
Upang magkaroon ng seguridad ang aming mga sasakyan ay talagang lehitimo at ito ay mawawala ang ating mga kolorum. Pagkat sa taxi nakikita naman natin minsan ipapublish dyan ang isang numero ng taxi ay merong 3 unit ang nais naming mawala ito.
Under the Metro Manila Council Resolution number 11-29, all public utility vehicles should have their proper tags to help the agency get rid of colorums and out-of-line PUVs. Failure to secure e-tags will penalize its operator for each PUV some 500 pesos, while 375 pesos for those who will be caught tampering the e-tags. One UTAC says paint tags are not the best option to get rid of colorums.
Kasi gusto natin mawala yung mga illegal na PUV, yung kumakain sa kita na may legitimong operator at driver, no? At kung paint tagging, lahat pwede mag-paint tagging eh. Hindi mo naman makikita sa paint tagging ano ang illegal at ano ang legal. Dito sa electronic tag, wala na, hindi na makakalusot yung illegal.
Sa nakita namin na hindi naman masyadong maayos yung e-tagging, ay yung painting tagging, dahil pagdating pa lamang ng 6 na buwan, ay tsak na burado na yung mga pintura at gumagastos kami ng mahigit sa 1,000. Ngayon, napag-aralan namin na recommendation namin sa MMDA na kung pwede i-concentrate yung e-tagging na umaabot lamang ng 700 pesos ang bayad na umaabot ng 10 taon.
Transport groups will soon ask for an extension of deadline before MMDA will finally apprehend PUVs with no tags.
Yung inaasam namin na walay atom blind, kolorom, ito na yung katuparan kasi nga both party magpaparticipate dito kami transport sector, tapos yung mga ahensya ng gobyerno. Ang gusto lang sana namin, na mahihiling lang sana namin, yung ipatupad ng tama ito.
In a seminar, transport operators were briefed on how they will conduct the electronic tagging, how it is being done, and how much will it cost. For People's Television, George Bandola.